Ever wondered how Python makes decisions just like we do in real life? In this video, you will master all 5 types of conditional statements in Python in just few minutes with simple examples you can use today. Conditional statements are the decision-making part of Python. Without them, your program would always do the same thing. Just like in real life, if it's raining, you take an umbrella, otherwise you don't. Let's see how Python does this. If statement. The if statement runs a block of code only if a certain condition is true. Temperature equal 30. If temperature greater than 25, print it's a hot day. Save and run. See the output, it's a hot day. Here, Python checks if the temperature is greater than 25. Since 30 is greater than 25, the condition is true and it prints it's a hot day. If-else statement. The if-else statement lets us run one block if the condition is true and another block if it is false. Age equal 18. If age greater than or equal 18, print you can vote. Else, print you cannot vote. Save and run. You can vote. If age is 18 or more, the first block runs and says you can vote. Otherwise, the else part runs. If-elif-else ladder. Sometimes we have more than 2 possibilities. That's where elif, which stands for else if, comes in. Marks equal 85. If marks greater than or equal 90, print grade A. if marks greater than or equal 75, print grade B, else print grade C, save and run. See the output, grade B. Python checks each condition in order. The first condition that's true will run, and the rest are skipped. Here 85 is not greater than 90, but it is greater than 75, so it prints grade B. Nested if. A nested if means putting one if statement inside another. This is useful when you need multiple layers of checking. Number equals 15. If number greater than 0, if number divisible by 2 equals 0, print positive even number. Else print positive odd number. Save and run. Positive odd number. First, Python checks if the number is positive. If that's true, it checks if the number is even. Since 15 is positive but not even, the else inside runs and says positive odd number. Ternary conditional operator. For short and simple decisions, Python has a one-line conditional statement called a ternary operator. Age equal 20, status equal adult, if age greater than or equal 18, else minor, print status, save and run. Adult. If the condition is true, Python takes the first value, otherwise it takes the second. Here, since age is 20, status becomes adult. Let's recap. We just learned 5 types of conditional statements in Python: if, if-else, if-elif-else, nested if, and ternary operator. Try these examples and see how you can apply them to real projects. In the next video, we will cover Python loops, which let your program repeat actions automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends who are learning Python. And hey, if you want to master Python step by step with me, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Your one click really motivates me to make more free tutorials for you.